In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see your ElevenLabs usage quickly and easily. If you use ElevenLabs for voice generation, audio projects, or testing different features, checking your usage is important so you always know how much you've used and what's left. This is a very simple process, but if you're new to the platform, it can be easy to miss where the usage details are located. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go to ElevenLabs and log into your account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look toward the top corner of the screen and click your profile picture. This will open a drop-down menu with different account options. From that menu, click Usage Analytics. That is where ElevenLabs keeps your usage information. After you open Usage Analytics, you'll be able to view all of your usage details in one place. You can check how much you've used, review your account activity, and get a better understanding of your current limits and consumption. This is especially useful if you want to manage your credits more efficiently or keep track of how often you're generating audio. If you're using ElevenLabs regularly, I recommend checking this section often so you don't run into surprises later. And that's it. Once you know where to click, seeing your ElevenLabs usage only takes a few seconds. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to give it a like, subscribe for more quick guides like this, and I'll see you in the next one.